Sunshine, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, what's up? I'm Ray. Thank you so much for watching. So today I did a very laid back get ready with me on this like mauve toned monochromatic look. So before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and without further ado, let's jump into the video. So first I'm priming my eyes with Catrice Liquid Camouflage Concealer. Taking Bone Fresco and using that as my transition shade. I really like the shade because it's like a nice cool tone gray purple color. Now I'm going to take this light pink shade from ColourPop. I bought this a really long time ago and I'm pretty sure it's discontinued because I can't seem to find it on the ColourPop website. But honestly, any light pink matte shade will do. Now I'm taking the shade Vermeer and I'm just going to pack that all over my lid. Now I'm just taking a clean brush, making sure everything is blended out seamlessly and there are no harsh lines or edges. Now I'm just going to mix Love Letter and Cypress Umbrum and just put that on the outer corner and just really lightly buff that in. So it's just a nice light wash of like a darker mauve-y color. And now I'm taking my favorite primer of all time, the Spotlight Primer by Physicians Formula. I love this. I go through it like water. I love that it gives me such a beautiful sheen to the face and just makes me really glowy, and it looks so summery and perfect. Now I'm going in with Physicians Formula, the Healthy Foundation. This has been my go-to foundation for about 2 weeks now. I just find that it makes my skin look so nice and gives me enough coverage but not too much, and it doesn't make me look cakey, and it's just perfect for the summertime. Going in with that same concealer that I used before, the Liquid Camouflage by Catrice. I have been obsessed with this. I just recently tried it out and I have been using it since I got it. To set my under eyes, I'm going in with the Coty Airspun powder. This is another new favorite of mine. Everyone has been raving about this for years, and I had no idea what I was missing. So I picked it up at Walmart and I haven't put it down. Going in with bronzer, the Marc Jacobs Tantastic Bronzer. This is ridiculously expensive, but I can't put it down. I don't know what to tell you guys. I mean, I really feel bad about recommending a bronzer that's $50, but this is so, so good. I'm using a little bit of blush today. This is Satin Love by Essence. I felt like I put my bronzer a little too low today, so I decided just to put some powder just to bake, and yeah, that's what I'm doing here. So for my lower lash line, I'm basically just going to mimic what I did before. So I'm just going to go in with Bon Fresco. And now Love Letter and Cypress Umber. And for highlight, I'm just going in with the Makeup Revolution Triple Baked Highlighter in Goddess of Faith. And for the lips, I'm going to take Wet n Wild's Liquid Catsuit in Rebel Rose. And then I topped it off with a little bit of NYX Lip Lingerie in Embellishment. And here's the finished look. Alright, my little rays of sunshine, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and comment down below what you want to see next from me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already, to follow me on my YouTube journey, and hit that little bell notification to be notified every time I upload so you don't miss a video. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.